to
Welcome to Transcend Money Community. Today we are going to start with the price of Bitcoin that is still super powerful, unbelievable. Yesterday we were talking about how the price of Bitcoin is strong, but incredible, still stronger than it seems. We had some entries at 94 and 90,000, a little bit lower at 89 because we have a newer strategy. But basically the targets, they were 95 and 90, and for the top target about 105. But I believe that Bitcoin is going to go for the target of 110. We're going to check it with the order book of the Transcend Money community, basically the institutional order book. So let's go for it. And welcome to everyone. Hopefully I didn't make any mistake with the live streaming. So we're going to start with the price of Bitcoin directly. It's keeping super strong, and also later I'm going to tell you about some news in the new Transcend Money website. So how spectacular. Look what we have in the top one position with 117 Bitcoins, $12.9 million, 10% rise of the price. And the market makers, they need to move $385 million or about 3,700 Bitcoins to reach this increase of 10% of the price of Bitcoin to reach the 110. So you know that for me, the important amount of Bitcoins is 200 Bitcoins. And there is non-resistance right now. So we can reach the 110 easily. The market makers or the ETF, they can create easily 300, $400 million, so they can reach this level in one day. But which are going to be the interesting levels? Because we see like 110, 105, 104, 300. So the prices are quite high. So the point here is like where to buy the Bitcoin, in my opinion, because we know that it's going to go higher. The bull run obviously is not ending yet. So if we check the prices right now, they are quite fascinating because we have, as yesterday, around 90,000, we have a grid, 90,000, 90,200, 90,100. So we can go to retest this spike we had recently. So we can consider here we have a symmetrical triangle that is going to break and it's going to go to the 110. And but today we have 92, and that we can consider 92 is close to 90, okay? But we have 97,500. So what I think is around the 98, there is a support. And we can see this in the chart, right? If we can draw here like the support, right? That is going to be this 96,000, around 96,000, this support. But also we can see around here a point of control. Let's say 98,000. This will be the point of control. Probably if we do the volume, let's see, if we do from here, where is the point of control? Yeah. So the 98, around 98 is the point of control, right? So where we had the most trading recently. So I think that this is the, well, in fact, yeah, I didn't realize, but I make that there is where we had the bounce. So I think this new support line is quite powerful because it means that the Bitcoin price is quite strong right now. I took out the version 3. So that means if we don't lose this 98, Bitcoin is extremely bullish. If we lose the 98, I believe we can go to this support of 97,500. And this is the support. If not, the 95, I think, is going to be the next level. And if we lose this one, it's going to be 90. For that reason, I have these two positions open in Mexc. As you know, is my favorite exchange. You have down below in the description the link. And with that link, you can be pro or premium member, and you can use for free the website of the community of Transcend Money. That very soon I'm going to show you the new statistics we are preparing to try to catch the whales and do what they do. So for me, that will be the levels for Bitcoin. So let me check. If we do the symmetrical triangle we have here about like this and like this, where is this going? Let's check this, and more or less approximately where we are, 107. So we're thinking this is going to be 110. So it's 107, 105, but in the order book we have already 110. So for me, I'm going to mark these prices 110, 105. That 105 is already all-time high, and 110 is a important psychological level, right? Because that is going to mark um, a psychological level that probably is going to be in the news, right? Because 110,000 is a nice number or psychological number, right? And from the bottom, we still have the same, right? This 90 with more than 700 Bitcoin. So we have a grid there, and this grid in, sorry, 95, and then this grid in the, in the 90,000, right? So I'm gonna keep this range. It's 90,000, 80,000 high. So I'm gonna keep the same trades with a low risk, and the reward risk as yesterday is like I risk $50 to earn $1,000, and here is like I risk $50 to make like 1,500 approx. Okay. So I don't know. We can see now. No. Okay. So that is gonna be for Bitcoin. And let me see if we have some people from the Spanish channel. Probably no. So thank you very much for all the new subscribers and all the new likes. So that will be for Bitcoin. So let's go for Ethereum, because I think Ethereum can reach new levels. It's true that we have right now resistance in the 39.59, so we can make a small correction. That in fact, this is what we were talking about for so many days, right? I'm gonna share with you my link from TradingView, so you can see my levels of support for all the tokens. That you can go basically to layers here, and you can check all my tokens on my charts and all my supports and resistance levels. So what I want to remind you is that the spectacular symmetrical triangle that we have since 2021, right? So this level can make reach more than $10,000 the price of Ethereum, but the first target is around 6,000. So right now we are in this fight with so we already break the symmetrical triangle, but still we didn't break this point where I'm super interested, that is this last high that was 4,093.92. We didn't break out yet, and in fact this make the price, this is weekly, but we can see in hourly, and is there where we had the first touch approximately there, that also we had a good prediction of the price there, and we have the rejection. And this one, this white line, is the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. So if we can bounce there, then is, I think, in my opinion, a good entry. But let's see what the order book right now, the institutional order book of the biggest orders in the price of Ethereum that we have right now. I'm gonna go back this one. You know, this is the Transcend Money website. You have the down below in the description all the links. And let's go for it. Let's see which are the prices. Let's see if we can load a little bit. I'm gonna filter. This is the tape, the time and money. And let's see which are the biggest ones, because as you know, for me 2000 Ethereums is a quite important level to make resistance in the price. So this 38,000 is going to be the first one. The first support level is 8,000 Ethereum, like $31 million at 1.6% drop. So it's exactly in this support, spectacular how it fits the technical analysis. So we go for the 8,000 approximately. I'm going to put 4 pixels, and then we have the 3750, and as yesterday we have spectacular grid of liquidity. You can see here we have a lot of prices with more than 2,000 Ethereum. In this case, right now, the top 18 prices, they have more than 2,000 Bitcoin, Ethereum. So it's more than around $10 million. It depends on the price, right? So I think it's a good support here around 38. It's a good risk reward point. But of course, here you need a very good stop loss, because that means that the price of Bitcoin cannot lose this 98,000, 97,500, right? Because if we lose that level, then it's going to be dangerous for the price of Ethereum also, because we can have a correction. These are the levels approximately 37, and then we have the 32, like yesterday, 34, 50, let me check, 38, 37, 34, 50. Yeah, this one is with 5,000. And then this is the last one that is 32. Let me check, 32, 34, 36, 32, 95, 31, 32. Okay, 32, we have almost 6,000. Ethereum, $90 million. So these for me are around where are the levels, the good opportunities to buy. Obviously, farther from the price, less probabilities, but better deal, right? So here it depends everyone how to split the capital and the risk. Welcome, Edgar. Short 101,021. Congratulations, Edgar. And what else? And here we have already 4,000. So a little bit of resistance in the 39.59, 39.38 again. So let me place that levels. 2.7 Ethereum, 39.59, 39.59. Oh, wow, this is, okay, yeah, makes sense, around here, 15. In fact, it's a little bit lower than I was expecting. So we have a little bit of resistance here with 2,000, nothing spectacular, but this important level, and then 39.38. So they want to stop the price around here of the Ethereum. I'm quite surprised. So that could be good to reduce the RSI and catch more energy to really break out this strong resistance, right? But look what do we have here, still with a very few liquidity, but we have the $5,000. It's start to build the energy, right? If you go into the website of Transfer Money Community, you can see here Wednesday, we have the core inflation data, inflation rate. So this can be a trigger also for the prices in general, TradFi and crypto. And also we have from Europe. And then that's it for this week. So let's see how long it takes for the price of Bitcoin to go for the next high. Right now seems quite strong, but if they need more liquidity, you know that in any instant the big players, they can move the price, because you know that you can go exactly to the version 3 and you can see how expensive it is to move the price. And we saw that is around 300 million, 400 million to bring the price to $110,000 of Bitcoin. And this is one thing that we want to do in the website. We have some changes in the new .transcend.money. So basically right now it's going to be just for members of Transfer Money Community, for the pro, first for the premium and then for the pro. And what we are testing, you will receive an email. So it's not yet active, but when we have active, we'll send you to the premium, all the new links for the statistics, where we can check what happened in different time frames, especially with the volume, because we want to make the alerts with the trading bot that we have in the Transfer Money Community, where we can see when there are the whales making big trades, right? So we're gonna adjust what is a big trade depending of the statistics. In this case, it's gonna be for 1 minute, just as a test, and we can see that there are more than 4,000 trades in 1 minute in Binance futures, and 1,000 of them there were less than 1 Bitcoin, and just one more than 9 Bitcoin, just one more than 5 Bitcoin. So we can take how rare is this is just for 1 minute, but if we want to do for long time frames, and then we can check when is a whale and when is a strange moment, no? That is maybe changing the market sentiment, right? So let's see this support if we wanna keep it, because if we lose this one, we can have a drop to this support line that is 96. We have support right now 97,500 with 278 bitcoins. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. I remind you the links. You have the new website, the traditional one, the Twitter account, and if you want to open an account in Mexc, you have up to $8,000 in rewards. And you know why I recommend Mexc, because I recommend a lot of exchanges, but Mexc is because it's the lowest fees. And also, if you trade just crypto, the lowest fees, I mean, in Maker 0%. And if you trade just crypto, you can have without KYC in most of the countries. For that reason, I recommend it. So thank you very much. I wish you very good luck with your trade. Congratulations to everyone that is holding crypto. Finally, we had our moment. So thank you very much to everyone. Health, wealth, and love, and see you in the next one.